Yeah, I don't think it's working. What's happening? Happy Saturday morning. Music down there. How you doing? Dr. Elo's in the house here. What's happening, sir? Good to see you. Yeah, I'm, it's one of those morning when you want to say frack the tech, but you can't really frack the tech because you got something to do and you really want to get it done, but it, and you need the tech to get it done. And yeah, so that's where I'm at this morning. Little on edge. Probably shouldn't be drinking all the caffeine. Probably just get up and go for a walk. Something. I don't know. I'm an Adobe guy, I like designing things, and a tool that I'm trying to use is Adobe XD. What is Adobe XD? That's kind of would be a good question, right? It's like a prototyping tool. I'll just pull it up for you. Pull it up. Let you guys see. It bills itself as one of the fastest tools to prototype with. Like the way you scroll and this stuff happens. This is kind of cool. You can create sketches, turn those sketches into, screens and prototype, and you can collaborate in real time, together. I love the way that does that. This is cool. You could do, create mobile you know, see how it looks in mobile, see, you know, hand it off to, you know, other folks. It is the tool I want to use. I mean, the cat's out of the bag. Xanthi's already talked about it. Her and I are attempting to create websites, templates for others to use. And you know, there's a lot that goes into that: planning, you know, prototyping, sketching, creating, trying to flesh out your ideas. And Adobe XD is a perfect tool for that. I can use it at work. It installed fine at work. At home, it installed a while back. I tried to upgrade it to one of the newer versions. Nope, won't do it. Won't do it. Won't do it. I'm going to go to my apps I have installed. Everything else is installing fine. I uninstalled all my apps, including Creative Cloud. Uninstalled them all. I don't know if you can see, but it says installation failed. So I'll retry. We'll retry. It used to fail before this. 89%, boom, done. Nope, no more. Installation failed. You can click on it. You can click says installation failed. Let's see why. Okay. No shit. I know it failed. You already told me that. Why are you telling me again? It already failed. I get that. Something went wrong. We weren't able to install Adobe XD. Error code 191. Something about permissions is what I understand. I can click learn more. Learn more. Oops. Dang it. Learn more. Here, we'll do that again. All right. Trouble installing or updating your Adobe app? Quickly find the solutions common to whatever. I do. I've done all this, everything. All the suggestions. I even spent like $100 to get Adobe or Windows Pro. Windows 10 Pro. Because I had the home version. I thought maybe that was the problem. Nope. 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 Have I contacted them yet? I have not yet. I know that's a question you're going to ask. It's a valid question. But you know, I'm one of those guys that likes to figure out things on my own because I learn that way. I learn. So yeah. You know, it gives you all kinds of, like, you do this, you know, pull up this app, put in this thing, go to your permissions, do, you know, it's like, I've done all that. I did it. Reboot, reinstall, nothing. Still the same thing. How to fix, right? How to fix. Yeah. Fix error while removing an existing build. Verify that the following folder is rooted. I've done that. Reset Microsoft Store cache 20 times. Install Windows updates. I might see if I can do that. I'm gonna see if I can do that again. I mean, I should have all the updates because I just installed the new version or the latest version of Pro. You know. So we'll try that once. We'll try that. let's just go to I'm going to go to my control panel. Hang tight, folks. Go to full screen so you don't have to sit there and stare at a crappy window. You can stare at my ugly face instead. All right. Control panel, update security, Windows updates. Check for updates. The usual, security intelligence update, nothing. Optional updates, nothing. It's like driver updates, hardware. The only thing about trying to do this is with installing updates is my computer might reboot. There's a few I don't know if I'll just pull that over here. These are these optional updates. When I get off stream, I may try those, and if one of those does it, I may not stream for 2 weeks. One of those does it, because the optional ones, it's like they're not, they're old, like 2018, 2019. Seriously? All right. So I might try that off stream. We'll see. We'll try that off stream. I don't want to crash, but I've done everything else. I mean, went through the advanced troubleshooting, looking for the error code. My problem is, and I'll kind of, I know this is kind of boring because it's Windows crap, and I'm, it's obviously I'm getting frustrated about it again. I go view my error log, right? Apparently, there should be a lot more to this error log. Because every other error log I've seen that has this, there's a bunch of stuff here because it goes error, failed to install UWP app X package with error, other error messages give a long description here. This stops for some reason. It's like something is not quite, even when it's trying to tell you there's an error. Even when it's trying to tell you there's an error, there's an error. What am I supposed to do? All right. Okay. Right. There's the rant. All right, so let's move on. Yes. Yeah, George. Yes, you missed the beginning, George. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Here you go. There's stuff missing, George. Stuff missing. Error code 191. Now, George, trust me, I've done pretty much everything that it suggests, with the exception of reformatting my operating system drive and reinstalling Windows, which I don't want to do that. Every fix that's supposed to work is supposed to be this where is it? Yeah, this reset Windows store cache or Microsoft store cache. There you go, George. I've tried every single I turned that off and then tried to do an install. Nope, that's not it either. Here we will try. We will turn that off for now. Let me open up my notepad. I will open up Notepad. Yes, I know how to get to the command prompt. No problem. Yep. While you're doing that, I've turned off my virus protection. All right, got that copied. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in and turn off the firewall also. The only other thing I could think it could possibly be at all is my actual router. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Let me... That was an accident. How do I do that? All right, I see it. I see the message. So, yep, sorry about that. I did not mean to do that, George. That was an accident. But I see the message and I'm copying it. All right. So I'm copying everything. No problem. You're good. I see. Got it. Okay, so no problem at all. I turned off the firewall. I turned off the virus protection. I'm going to exit Creative Cloud real quick, and then I'm going to start it again. We'll see what happens. So, all right. So firewall, virus protection, totally off. We'll do this again. Install. Thank you, George, for the assistance. Good morning. Happy Saturday morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope, Dr. Elo, hope your week was a good week. Minus, all the audio issues and stuff. But, I mean, awesome streams. Awesome stuff. Man, a lot of stuff's happening for you, man. I am really, really excited. Failed, right? Failed again, right? Failed. So I'm going to try another version. It's PM in Cyprus, yes. Good afternoon, good evening, yes. So on both versions, it fails. So yeah. I will probably also try to, I think if you contact Adobe customers, see you, buddy. Going to the mountains again. All right, awesome, man. Enjoy the outdoors. Enjoy the fresh air out there. You have a good hike, man. Take care. Thanks for showing up, man. I really appreciate it. So I'll probably contact, Adobe to see if I can get a standalone installer. That was one of the suggestions after digging deep. I found. I will try these, and the only other thing is, I wonder if any ports need to be open in my router. Core sync. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Don't know. All right, I will try those. Off stream, George, for sure. But for now, I gotta move on. Moving on. Let me find where that was. Let me turn this stuff back on. My firewall's back on, my virus protection. A few updates. Let's see. Should be good. All right. I mean, I could do fresh start, up to date installation of Windows. That's another option. We'll try it. We may try that sometime at some point. But for now, let's go back and I had a list of. That's that. Let's go to this screen. So I was going to try some of the alternatives. I had typed in alternatives to, Adobe XD. This kind of gave me this first list here by G2. I don't know who G2 is, but the top alternative Vision. I'm trying this. I don't know. It just is not feeling very intuitive at all. In fact, I'd already started messing with it. So let's see. This is kind of what it looks like. It's not very expensive. That's good. I can organize my screens into sets. Click and drag selected screens and drop them into the sidebar. Edit and rearrange, yada yada yada. New prioritized screens with labels. So I'm going to add a set. Home page. And once you have a set, you can add a screen. You can upload them direct sync from a sketch or Photoshop. I don't have any. See, and this is the thing. I guess this, you can't actually build, I guess. I don't know. Create freehand. Yeah, I want to create freehand. That's what I want to do. There we go. All right. Okay. Choose a color. Save time with shortcuts. Got it. Gather feedback. Freehand. But does this let me build? This just does not have the capabilities. I don't feel of like XD. I don't know. It's like a wire. It's okay. that's a prototype with screens. That's a prototype with freehand. Here's where I pulled something in. But I'm assuming you know when you do this in this way, you can't just pull in an image and then I put a hotspot there, but it's not very intuitive. That's what I'm just saying. It's not very intuitive at all. But it's got high ratings. Okay. It's okay. I'm just not that out of the gate. I'm just kind of. So I'm gonna. I'm gonna kind of put this one in the back burner. Design systems, experience connect workflow. I don't. Yeah, I'm not really looking to do that. Documents. That's where I'm at. Spaces. Organize that makes sense. Again, right off the bat, it's just it doesn't tell me what to do or how to get up and running right away. So let's look at the next one. Azure RP. Maybe George, you have a suggestion. If you have any suggestions, just drop it in the comments or in the chat. If there's a prototyping similar to XD, let me know. I'm going to go to the Azure XP. Infinite interactions, unlimited power. It's a free trial. You're the code. And that's the thing. I'm the design guy, so I want to be able to design visually. But be able to communicate with the code monkeys, right? That's what I need to do. There's a free trial, so this looks like it gives me libraries and stuff, so that's getting closer. What is the pricing? The pricing. So for $25 a month, build annually, unlimited prototypes. I mean, this certainly seems like it's close. Let's go to the overview. All right, back to the overview. Yeah, me too. I'm with you. I mean, this is a pretty advanced one. This maybe have a little bit too much power. But it's a free trial. It doesn't have a free version. We'll come back to that one. I like it. I mean, it seems like it's got a lot of good features. Yeah, really. Yeah, that's not really, Can never have too much power, right? We want the power. All right, so yeah, that was Azure RP. Marvel. This is versus XD. Huh, people like Marvel better than XD. It's a free trial. Don't tell Xanthi this, but you should learn. Well, you know, I am not a fanboy of any one system. I haven't looked at Divi yet, mainly because I haven't done a lot of, you know, I only worked on my own website really. But yeah, right now we're kind of going the Elementor template way, and who knows? You never know. I'm gonna go to the website now. Pricing. There is a free. All right, there is a free. Oh, I hate the dinghy. The dinghy. The little message. Hey, got any questions? No. If I would have. I'm covering it too, so. Little message bot in the corner. There's a free version. Let's do that. Let's go with the free version. Let me sign up here and I'll pull that off screen so I'm not, you know. What is my role? I'm a designer. What do you use to design now? I'm gonna say XD. I'm not gonna invite any teammates for now. This is creator, content creator template, content creator. Creator template. All right. Back in the saddle. All right. Let's add some. Let's try an example prototype. Drag and drop. Let's use the example prototype. I want to see. What it does. I'm already liking this a little bit. Drag a hotspot. All right. I like. Oh, it's. I love that. Okay, I've dragged the hotspot. Yes. Yes, George. If the apps in Windows Store are not, yes. At least 50 times. At least 50 times. At least 50 times. That may be an over exaggeration, but all right, so hotspot. Duplicate. What is a duplicate? All right. Action. All right, so taking this. Ah, okay. So you can take that and you set that over. Not really telling me what to do. So these are just screens, so it just, okay, that's what it does. It's just done. All right. Let's, can I delete that? I can delete that, right? I want to trash. I want to archive. Okay, we're gonna archive it. All right. Create a project. Prototype. Project two, not one, but two. Great. Add some design. That's what I want to start designing. That's what I want to start doing. Buttons, button group, pagination, breadcrumbs, download input fields, drop downs, all the usual suspects. Facebook login pages. Yeah. It's got all the usual stuff. Yeah, I did do that, right? So what I'm supposed to do is go to these three dots, download the updates. And it just shows me my recent activity. I get updates. Good to go. I've done that. All right, so yes, we can go to app data. Yep. Local, Adobe, OBE, OP. Yeah. Yep. I did that. I did that before. Let's do that again. Oop. Oh, hold on. Yeah, let's make sure we file. That's it. Quit. Delete. We'll fire up Creative Cloud again. If this works, I mean, I did it. I did that at least once. I know. Waiting, 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 and failed. 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 It just kind of hates me. Kind of hates me. DNS. Yeah, yeah. I agree. So this has at least the tools where we can sit here and draw out our wireframe. Is that like an emoji? Avatar placeholder. Add. Logo? We'll just say logo. Let's find. Let's. I've got. Oh. Need to add bridge. There we go. Bridge. got Xanthi's sketch. I need to find her sketch that we're using, and I'll just kind of go with that. Yeah, so menu. All right. Oh. Photoshop opened up. There we go. At least Bridge and Photoshop both work. Got that going. Nova! Good morning, sir. Don't need Photoshop open. I just need... There we go. How is your Saturday going? Well, I mean, considering things are going okay, having some software issues with an install of Adobe XD on my computer here, and it's really frustrating. George here has been, going through the list of fixes and stuff that, I've tried already myself at least 5 times each. So, yeah. I'm afraid I may have to go into work this evening. Make sure Windows is up to date. Yes. Yes. So we checked today at 8:23. Did you turn it off? That's very ironic, Nova, because there are 3 optionals, but they're all old. I mean, I'll try that one, So Nova, yes, my girlfriend was at work. She was having trouble logging in, and yeah, guess what the IT guy said that after she called him, like, did you try it on a different computer? Yes. Do you got your cap locks off? Yes, it's off. Do you have your num locks on? Yes. And he said, have you tried turning it off and on again? And it was like, yes. And then she's like, why do they always say that? And so I pulled up the IT crowd, famous, first, scene. I was trying to get it across her. Believe it or not, I mean, that's what happens. I mean, it's always, sometimes it can be something so simple, and this is probably what this, something so simple somewhere. I just don't know what. So those are the only optional updates. I'll go ahead and update them off stream, because I'm afraid if I try to do this on screen, this is true. I will if I try to do these updates, on stream, it's probably going to restart my computer. Will it let me duplicate? No, it will not. Did that? That did do. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. All right. So far, backward, and we're gonna turn the just a little extra color, you know. I don't know if I want a title there. I want a text box, but will it let me? Typeface, regular. All right. Yes, they do. They do need to ask. I am in agreement with you. Like it's nobody's biz. Yeah. I've been there. Can we go up farther? Yeah, I like that. Spacing, the letters, it'll let me do the letters. Oh, I don't want the letter, I want the line spacing, right? There we go. I want that to be a heavy font, yeah. And this is just for placement. Let's make this back to thin. And we'll go down some point sizes. The journey. All right, logo, that's our logo. The thing about it is will it let me create a component? But I don't think it will, because these are all online. They're not downloadable. All right. It's just kind of a weird. That is kind of weird. I don't like that. I'm not liking that at all. Menu. Menu plus button menu. There we go. But I don't want the logo over there. Is there a center menu? A line left? Vertical menu button, vertical menu, menu search. Huh. Okay. library. But can you add functionality? That is the key. Probably not. I think this is a wireframing. Go back to the there was a way to create you can add this stuff. So obviously you can add your own images, right? Add the first elements to your company. Hey, little cute girl, what's up? What is happening? Oh, okay. Hey, there we go. And it lets you add some images. How about that? So, Dreamer. Where can I add? Can I select that and then add? Does not look like it does that. Yes, you can upload. Yeah. Can I mask? Well, I'm going to be building some website design templates, and the software that I want to use is being stubborn, not installing. George has been tirelessly helping me to kind of go through troubleshooting with some stuff. It installs fine at work, but it's not installing here, and I'm used to using that, and I'm looking for an alternative. Icons, I like the icons. But, you know, finding an alternative means I need to finding an alternative means kind of learning it. I don't even have Skype installed at the moment, so if I don't get anywhere today, George, I will take you up on that offer. All right, so at least with Marvel, we have a little bit more intuitive designing. I got to figure some things out on what can be done. You can add images. Add the first stimulus to your company library. I don't need to do that. There's lines, there's text. Oops. Ellipses, you know, all the standard stuff. But, you know, at least from what I'm seeing here, there's stuff, you know, you can definitely get more advanced in what I am doing at the moment. So let's I'm gonna bookmark that. Let's look at another one. Quit messaging me, Marvel. I get it. Figma, I've heard that's. I've heard a few people talk about Figma. Has a definitely has a XD feel to it. Plugins. All right, let's go. Let's see. Let's go to their website. Pricing, is there a free? Yep, there is a free starter, unlimited files of draft, unlimited views and command, unlimited editors on 3 team files, 1 team project, 30-day version history. All right. I design. I don't want to. Don't mail me anything just yet. This is Team XG. Yeah. Skip that text. What's the? Yeah. Oh, yeah. The free for now. Lo-fi wireframe kits. Presentation. Let's look at the lo-fi wireframe kit real quick. Buy me a coffee. Nice. Wireframes help you and your team understand the big picture. For you, rapid prototyping helps you explore more ideas faster. Your team wireframes helps communicate high-level aspects of design and get consensus. High-level aspects of design and get consensus early in the process. I read that twice. Don't let yourself get bogged down in unnecessary details too early. That's me. Why use Figma? I used several standalone wireframing tools before, but I've always come across limitations that might not have an element I need, prototyping capability, or good collaboration. By combining the kit with Figma's native features, you get prototyping, sharing, commenting, and real-time collaboration. No more jumping between tools, which is what I'm trying to avoid. I mean, I'm on Milanote. I mean, I don't know that Milanote has everything, but let's see. All right. Start here. Yes, I've started here. What is up with it? Okay. It has components. Great. Do these components. This is for the lo-fi. This is for the lo-fi. This is not necessarily Figma, but this is the kit. Do textiles, fonts. Okay, cool. So this is a good kit that can be used for this. Getting started, this got to get it running with the kit. Once you have it working, take a look at the examples page below. Use. Maybe if I hit this. There you go. Look at that. All right. Using the library. Look at that. I want to go backwards though. Restart. Okay. Start. There we go. You're now leaving. I don't want to leave that. I want to go back to. Nice. Examples. Oh, that's cool. All right. That does a little scroll thing in the that's kind of cool. Now I'm kind of stuck. Am I stuck? Stuck. Oh, there we go. Look, WordPress. Nice. Groovy. Already restarted. Okay. Styles. I like this. I'm kind of digging this. All right, okay, I don't want to leave. Oh. Yeah. I'll stick with chalkboard because I'm not using Comic Sans. Base text styles, component text. It's got a lot of cool stuff. So far this kit, but that is not exactly what I want to do, right? The head of design of Elegant Themes, aka Creators of Divi, loves this tool above all, he says in Divi related stream. Oh. Yes. It has a lot going for it so far. I like it. It has some prototyping. Go to a new file. Yeah. Okay. I like that. Roboto. Bring your own fonts. That's cool. Let's go back to Roboto, regular, black. I could drag just a second ago in something, but now I can't. Why not? All right. That kind of sucks. That's kind of sad. But there's the shortcut, Control Shift, left and right. What do you call those? I don't know. Less than or more than. I can right click, create component. Cool. Will it let me do a repeat grid? Control D lets me duplicate. That's cool. Like what I should have done is control. All right, let's go all the way back out. I don't want that to be a component, but I want that to be centered so that if I, whatever. How did that change? I wonder if there's a way to what I like about Adobe XD though is that this box, right? You could set your padding or margins. Oh, you can do the corners this way too. That's cool. I like that. You could do the padding and margins so that whenever you type your text in here, it would it will expand and contract with how your text with your text. Like the grid. Yeah, the grid, it's just a grid system, right? This may have a grid system. But you're saying they would give you always use like 150 space between rows. Is there a reason for that? Huh. I'm looking to see if it has, there's view, pixel grid, layout grids, layout grid visible. Where's the layout grid? There is no layout grid visible. Where's my layout grid? View, pixel grid hidden. Why am I not seeing anything? Nothing's changing. There's rulers. Why 150? That I can't really. Well, I think what they do is sort of, they start with 1920, which is your width, your standard width for high definition, right? That's your standard width. And with a responsive design, then you know you're going to go in and design so that it looks great at your max width, which right now that standard is 1920. And as the view width, you know, or view height changes, and really they don't worry about view height that much. They want their elements to scale. So you have those kind of grid, 150, you know, grid columns, right? I think that's what it is. Not necessarily space, but like they do 150 pixel columns. And this is not showing them for some reason. I don't see any pixel grid. I don't see a grid. It's just showing me the transparency. Layout grids. It's not showing me. All right, let's go. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Well, it's been a while since I've done like the like web design stuff, so I'm getting back into it. But yeah, there was the whole grid system. And I'm trying to look at find a good kind of I guess a kind of an example. I mean, this is kind of, well, it keeps going to that. I don't want that. I want the picture. Trying to find a good image that has, like, you know, the what the columns are, because I believe that's what it is. I mean, the columns may be like 150. Yeah. 1920 grid system. Here we go. That's okay, Alex. Today's just kind of one of those streams, the rant stream. Yeah, I'm not sure about the 150. You know, the 150 pixel. Between rows, I don't know about it. I just know that they're probably going by kind of this kind of a grid system, like a 1920 by 1080 grid system as a viewport as your starting point, and then as they're designing it, you know, they'll design it to where it's collapsible for responsive design, to, you know, to collapse within that grid. A lot of this stuff I can't necessarily, I can't explain it in words, only because you know, it's in my head. I understand it in my head, but trying to explain it sometimes for me is difficult. There's responsive grids. Let's do the 150. Let's see. I've got the bootstrap. We'll look into that more, though. XD has the grid system in it. So yeah. And that's the thing. They think like 1920 is kind of your, you know, your standard, the standard, you know, HD screen width. And, you know, when we go to, when soon it'll be 4K, maybe, I don't know. I mean, it already is, right? You already have a screen that's 4K, but you're still going to design in that, in a kind of a 16:9 format, because that's going to be universal, right? For your TV, most tablets, you know, do a 16:9. You can turn your phone and it's 16:9, you know, but you want that 16:9 to then be able to fit down into, you know, the responsiveness to collapse, you know. So yeah, think of it more like in an aspect ratio. I don't know why. Did this one have a that is Marvel. I'm done looking at that. Envision, I'm done with that. X year, that was like, there's no way. I mean, it looked nice, but there's no way I'm gonna pay for that right now. Zoom to 100%. No. That's a good question, though. It's a good question. I mean, and someone like me should be able to explain that to the code monkeys. You know? Frames, slices, okay. Move scale. I'm still trying to figure out how. Manage plugins. Installed. Count. Okay. I won't mess with that right now. I'm still trying to figure out how to turn on the grid. There's a. Snap to grids, that's cool. All right, integrations, dribble, plugins. I don't have any right now. Hi, help, arrange, text, vector, object, main component. Okay. View. It's not showing me any grids. No grid at all. Or wait a minute, what? Design, tablet, desktop, right? Uh-oh. Well, there we go. There's my main problem. I didn't even have like a board, anything, you know. Look, even the desktop, the first desktop would come up with its 1440, right? Can I delete that? Maybe we'll okay, we'll just do that way. So how the hell did I get that menu? That's what I want to know. Page. How about pages? Pages? All right. No. Layers. You layout grids. You layout grids. How did I get that? What did I do? There we go. Frame. Frame. So they don't even have 1920. No 1920. Their desktop is that, which does not. That doesn't seem correct. But there you can go to slide. All right, there you go. Right. Now, nope, no pixel grid. Constraints, cool. View, outlines. I want to view layout grid. All right, that's still bugging the crap. That's bugging the crap out of me. Why it won't? Do I have to have pixel preview? Grid layout. It's not really showing anything, is it? I just don't see anything where it's showing me the grid layout. You can use masks. That's cool. How do I put my own picture in here? That's another question, right? All right, so this has a little bit of promise. I like it a little bit better than the Marvel for sure, and you know, it got the endorsement of the Divi community, so. Close some of these windows and make sure I'm I think I've got that. Yep, bookmark, good. We're gonna exit out of some of this stuff. All right, the next one, Proto IO. More expensive, Similar stuff. It looks like it's got a timeline based thing. Storyboard, PhotoPie, blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm gonna look for this list, 20 alternatives to Adobe. Let's try this list. It could be, yes. The best alternative. Now this got ProtoPie like kind of up at the top. Smooth and gradual learning curve. I like that. Native prototype. Deploy prototypes on any device right away. Interactions across, utilizes sensors very easily, fast and easy sharing, runs on Mac and Windows. It's 129. Code free, no coding needed for interactions for your prototypes. Cool. They didn't like inefficient workflow. That's got a con there. Mach Plus, no Linux version. Well, that's okay. You can get Mach Plus for free. There's Sketch. I guess that may be a Mac only. Yep. Azure, that's what I was, moderate learning curve. Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer. It is a vector-based tool. Yeah, it's like Photoshop, or I don't need something like that, right? Balsamic. That's weird. Weird. Invasion, the first one I looked at, which was kind of free, you know, it was like, while Invasion acts as an all-in-one environment for design, it may become a nuisance. Yeah, I didn't find it very team collaboration, version control, fast, lets you test on iPhone as well as browser, user friendly. Origami, I like the name. Mac only. Hot glue. Subscription model, we're passing that one by. Gravit. Framer Studio. Webflow. Oh. Webflow. Huh. Webflow. That's what Anthony's doing. I love how they're giving me the Adobe Creative Cloud ads over here, you know, and I'm looking for alternatives to Adobe. All right. ProtoPie. It's 129. It's got 55 ups and 4 downs. We'll have to go around and mess around with Figma again. Affinity Designer. Let's go back and try. Let's go look at Proto Pi. There's no free version at all. Nothing I can trial. Right. Well, I can try for free, but cloud. Okay. Start my free trial. That was subscription, wasn't it? Wasn't it, George? Download. I should clean out my downloads folder. We'll try it. I might have to go back to the Figma. Stop wasting money on Amazon. Okay. Get it here. Get that here. Hide. Oh, he autosave? Damn. Still downloading. Well, I hope everybody's having at least a decent Saturday. Or planning on having a decent Saturday. George, it's your evening, right? You're going to be getting ready to go to bed. Or something. You know. Dinner time, maybe. Oh my. There we go. That still didn't do it. My link over in Gilded didn't do a thing. Didn't do a thing. It did not do its thing. Boom. All right. Being really weird. Well, good. I'm glad you find it awesome. Well, I appreciate that. Enter. That's just being dumb. All right, download it. Let's install. Let's see what happens. When I install it, will it give me a few days or what? No, not yet. I don't want to register it yet because that'll knock all of my other, registered files. Good God. Sorry, man. And if anybody watches, you have any experience with Adobe XD and, have had that similar problem, in the comments, go down to the comments. Give me some, anybody from Adobe. Come on. I got to log in. I did. All right. Yeah. This is, yes, probably. Trial expires in 30 days. Okay. This is true. The basics. All right. Let's, okay, we'll allow access. Wow. All right, that's an example. It's the example, but yeah, this is yeah. This is kind of heavy duty. It said start tutorial. Is there a web page I'm supposed to be looking at? Okay, let's just do, we'll do that. We'll do this. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. Yes.
During this video, we will guide you through how to start in 3 easy steps. So, sit back, relax, and learn. Step 1. Add assets. Once you open the ProPie Studio, first, let's add design assets. ProPie provides basic shapes such as rectangle and oval. But if you already have a design on other graphic designs, you can import them as well. Before importing, you need to install the ProPie plugin for Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch, and then open the plugin in the tool that you'd like to import from. Let's use Figma as an example. You can select what you want to import, either a small section of an artboard, one entire artboard, or multiple artboards. Then, click the import button. Just a few seconds. Now you can work on all your designs directly in ProPie. The structure and the visual effects will also be imported exactly the same as before. As well as graphic designs, with ProPie, you can also import videos, audio, and LOTI files. Before starting step 2, you need to know that every
Why'd that come up?
consists of triggers, responses, and objects. If you understand this concept,
Oh, dang it.
add the graphic example to designs. These triggers and you will understand how ProPie works. Now you are ready for step 2, building your interactions. Let's start with 2 layers. At the right-hand side, we have the interaction panel. Here you can add triggers and responses. The interaction we want.
Yeah, they're trolling me.
If you tap
Bastards.
the circle layer will move. Now click Add a Trigger. Here you can find all the triggers for your interactions. These include multi-finger gestures, web gestures, logical actions, native sensor triggers, and so on.
All right. Already. Again, nice and powerful tool. Overkill for what I want to do. Overkill. I don't see an upload button. Personal space. Okay. Team XG. Okay. Killing me. All right. Yeah, that's way overkill. Way overkill on that. I mean, I like it, but let's start the tutorial. Okay, add a rectangle layer. We're gonna add a rectangle, all right? Select the layer. Add a trigger. We want to tap. Add a move response. Okay. Move. Enter 200. Enter 200 and 200 as values. Okay. Okay. Test it. There we go. Groovy. Media. What kind of media do we want? We can go image, video. No. What is this, right? What device? Okay. Device. I don't know. Scene. Okay. Maybe that. Yeah, here we go. All right, here we go. There's our HD 1920. See, right there. Boom. But why are we okay? What I liked about Adobe is you could change the viewport also. Scroll container? What's a scroll container? Scroll container. What's a scroll container? Scroll container. Tell me what a scroll container is. Learn. They do not have a search feed. That's kind of. Containers. Container relative. Okay. Components. All right. I think I'm done playing around with this stuff today. I need to buckle down. Yes. I kind of figured that's what it's supposed to be. I was wondering if, it was something that you could scroll, you're creating a one-page website, and so this is your viewport. That's your viewport. But your page is going to be longer and good design. That's why I liked XD, because you had a way to have your viewport and then pull down your canvas so you can keep designing, but then, you could do a scroll thing. It just, I don't know. I got to figure out how to get XD. Good Lord, XD to work, because I'm sorry, George, man. Whew. I got to figure out how to get XD to work, because I'm a little bit more knowledgeable and I don't really feel like getting up to speed. There's all the scroll. There's the scroll stuff. Direction. Yeah. All right. If I have any more problems tomorrow, George, if you're around, again, thank you for all your help. If you're around and you want to take on that task, we'll tackle it in the morning if I don't figure it out sometime today. Got a few things to do some driving with the kid, that sort of stuff. So Dr. Elo is here. He's taking off. Hopefully he's having fun in the mountains. George, thanks for hanging out with me. Yes, I will look for you on Twitter. Thanks for hanging out and helping me out with this. I really appreciate that. Alex, if you're still around, thanks for popping in and saying hi. Really appreciate that. We will catch you guys later, whether tomorrow or, on some other streams. Have a good evening, George. Amazing Peter Gaming is here. Have a good lurking, Mr. Lurker. Hey, well, thanks for lurking. Hi, Mrs. Amazing. Hi, the Miss Amazing. Goodbye, and I hope this puts a smile on your face. Yes, we will catch you guys later. Everybody have a good evening, good day, and all that sort of stuff. And I will catch you guys later. So peace.